For the first part of this assignment, I'm going to be conducting a search using Boolean. The topic that I chose to search is boosting the immune system through physical exercise. So I'm going to go here. And use the and. And these are the results with the and. And so the next one that I'm going to use is or. And then the last one that I'm going to use is not. So boosting the immune system through physical exercise, not exercise.